everyone, it's Stephanie here with a brand new review for the My Favorite Things January card kit, Celebrate Everything. Celebrate Everything boasts 9 celebratory greetings that focus on birthdays, but also features phrases that can encompass a range of other occasions. In addition, a mix of fonts adds style and interest, so you'll never tire of finding a new reason to celebrate. Add some pop to your cards with this easy-to-assemble balloon die set. The generous size means just a single balloon will make a statement, but restrained enough that you can easily group several of them for a colorful balloon bouquet. In addition to the cake base, the new Celebrate with Cake Dynamics features top and bottom decorative frosting layers with cut line detailing, a group of 7 polka dot accents, and 7 candles. With such a wide array of accent options, you can craft a custom cake for everyone on your list. Vivid hues and fun patterns make the Time to Celebrate paper pad an essential component of your birthday and celebratory event stash of products. Mix and match patterns to your heart's content for an endless array of unique looks. This month's card kit also includes a great selection of cardstocks that coordinate perfectly with the paper pad, including 2 sheets of smooth white and 1 sheet each of craft, milk chocolate, tropical teal, Caribbean sea, prickly pear, lemon drop, candied yam, and Moroccan spice. So let's go ahead and take one more quick look at everything that comes in this month's kit. You get the great selection of cardstock that coordinates perfectly with the new Time to Celebrate paper pad. There are 2 die sets in this month's kit that include Celebrate with Cake as well as the Balloon Builder Dynamics. And of course, we have the Celebrate Everything stamp set, which features a ton of great sentiment options that will work perfectly with both of the die sets included in this month's kit. The newest free with 60 releasing with this month's kit is Itty Bitty Celebrations. Teeny tiny sentiments that pack a punch are perfect for celebrating those big occasions, birthdays, anniversaries, promotions, and more. And if you're looking for even more die options that coordinate perfectly with this month's kit, we present the Perfect Present Dynamics. This die is available separately from the card kit, and it provides the means to craft a big, beautiful present on your cards or create a fun gift tag. This multi-piece set includes a gift box and lid, a ribbon element, and a layered bow assembly. We hope you enjoyed this quick look at the new Celebrate Everything card kit. This kit releases at My Favorite Things on January 25th at 10 a.m. Eastern. As always, I appreciate you being here for another video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.